Kirirom and Kampongspo. Some of the most beautiful provinces in Cambodia. People visit these areas to chill. And smell the fresh air coming from nature. Cambodia is in Southeast Asia, just north of the equator. It is green and lush, with many forests and rice fields. On our way going there, we saw a lot of green lands, trees. It is green everywhere you go. Kirirom Hills and its open area has a variety of trees and plants.
Wow, this is so scary.
Because of these beautiful lakes and beautiful places, it's an ideal place for everybody maybe to go there for camping and relaxing and having good time in nature. Walking around the lake and its surroundings make us feel the real breeze coming freshly from nature. It's a symbolic lake with some people living around as part of their daily lives and businesses. These famous trees are linked to how humans must conserve nature. After Kirirom, we moved to Oral Mountains. Upon arrival, I heard the water flow.
What does that say? What is that? What is it? Make nice videos, so I'm going to move up this mountain and we'll see what we can see up there. Let's go.
The water flow sound coming from far away in the mountain. As I climbed and went higher through some paths, more fascinating water streams and some running waterfalls.
Welcome to the beauty of nature.
All the mountainous area is covered with trees and grass. Leveraging the water coming down from the mountain and the heavy rains that are frequent in this area.
If I see a ghost, I'm going to run away, disappear.
Different types of trees are here. Some of them even are aged more than 40 years. It is a good, diversified ecosystem. That is why so many animals live there.
These areas are really so dangerous, but I'm just trying to go up the mountain to see whatever I can see there. I think it's so interesting to be around here and I like to go up. Some of these streams go to rivers, also used for cultivation by people. The more you move up, the more you discover things there. It's really so interesting and beautiful. It is just the nature, which is here fascinating. Because of this unique beauty, it becomes one of the most interesting places to visit. So many places around this area, but many people prefer to come here because it is a beautiful and unique area. The villagers nearby have their own lives as they experience how much they belong to this area and its nature. Depending on the natural resources they have, they use their own skills to cultivate and live peacefully. That was a nice trip to different places in Cambodia. More videos will come soon, and hope that you like this video and your support is appreciated. Thanks for watching and see you next video.